Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've brought a really delicious recipe and you guys are absolutely going to love it. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I've taken a pan and I'm going to pour 1.5 cup of oil in it. With that, I'm going to add 2 medium onions. I've chopped them well with the help of a knife. And now I'm going to fry them unless it turns out to be brown in color. We're going to fry it for 2 minutes. And after frying it for 2 minutes, we are going to add chopped garlic and ginger, 2 tablespoons. With that, I'm adding some spices, like the whole spices, and now I am going to mix it quite well. And with that, I'm going to add 4 red chili, the whole red chili, right? I'm going to fry onion unless it turns out to be soft. With that, I'm going to add mince, about 300 grams, and we're going to fry it unless it's going to change its color. So do mix so that anything does not stick to the pan with the help of a wooden spoon. As far as I'm using a non-stick pan, so I'm using a wooden spoon. With that, I'm going to add 1 tomato, and now I'm going to mix all these ingredients with the help of a wooden spoon. You can add salt according to your taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. It's really up to you. Whatever the spices you like, you can add it according to your taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1.5 teaspoon turmeric powder. With that, I'm adding coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to mix all these ingredients again. So while I'm doing this process, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. Now I've added some yogurt, and now I'm again going to mix it quite well. Once the oil is separated from the mixture, then we're going to add this yogurt. So I've taken some potatoes. I have cut it into cubes. I've taken 2 potatoes and I've cut it into cubes, and now I'm going to add it in this. With that, I've taken 1 cup of peas and now fry it for 2 minutes, and we're going to mix it as well. So we're going to cover it up and cook unless it turns out to be tender and soft. So once the potato is cooked well, then we're going to add garam masala in it, and with that I'm going to add some green chilies and some coriander leaves, like the fresh coriander leaves. I've chopped it and now I'm going to add it. You can see I'm mixing all these ingredients, and I'm going to cover it up with the help of a lid and simmer for 5 minutes. So let's move towards after 5 minutes, we're going to take it out into a representable dish, and you can eat it with tortilla wrap, naan, roti, or whatever you want to eat it. So I'm going to take it out into a representable dish, and then I'm going to eat it with tortilla wrap, naan, roti, or whatever you want to eat it. So do serve this recipe in front of your guests with some tortilla wrap, naan, roti, raita as well. If you like to eat it with raita, it's really up to you. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Once you're gonna subscribe to my channel, you'll see a bell icon and hit it, so you're updated by my latest videos on the first go. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching, and I'll be bringing more and more videos and recipes for you guys. So goodbye.